Hello everyone, I have finally found a way that you can get 4,000 watch hour with just using 2 applications. Yes, number 1, your YouTube application, and number 2, your editing application. Yes, it can either be Inshot application or CapCut application or any application that uses an edit. It can be any application where they use edit your video. That's what we are going to use to get your 4,000 watch hour very bad. So you don't do for any external application like maybe Restream or StreamYard or Kinecon or Down or anything. What I want to teach you is within the YouTube application, and guess what? YouTube just added this feature. Man life for you. And a lot of us have been seeing this feature, but what? We don't even know how to use it, we don't even know the usefulness, we don't know what it is for. So what? Let's get started. So first, I went over to my editing application, which is CapCut, because I don't use Inshot. I'm sorry for saying you can use Inshot in the title, but I don't like using Inshot, and I don't really like Inshot because I really prefer using CapCut. You understand? But if you have Inshot, you can use Inshot, it's fine because the two others have the same purpose. You understand? And if you don't have Inshot or CapCut, head over to your Play Store and search for it or download it. You understand? So after I've opened our CapCut application, click on New Project and what? Add videos. So let me quickly add the video I want to use. Yeah, while I'm adding my video, please, I want you to know it's very important to add a very longer video duration, and make sure what you always avoid any copyrighted music video. Any video that has music in it, avoid it, please, so that you don't have copyright. Yes, because all this kind of video will give you copyright, and they can actually flag your content. Say yes, say yeah. But if you want to get maximum results, make sure you add a very longer video. Yes, maybe a video that you're walking on the road, like vlog, showing the community, stuff like that. Can go to your Snapchat. You understand? So avoid copyrighted videos, so avoid it too. So okay, so let's please, if your video is, so we'll click on add. So we'll add the video that I've marked. Let's start the videos that I've marked. Please avoid copyrighted music, as I said before. If your video is on YouTube standard, which is 16:9 ratio, you change it to either TikTok standard or Facebook standard. See, make sure that it's in portrait. You know what they call portrait? Portrait is like this. Sorry, portrait is like this. The way I hold my phone is portrait. Yes. Then what? Export it. It should be like this, so then export it. So why is exporting? Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button again. Like this video and what? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Do you understand? After it has exported, the next is what? To go to your gallery. To test video we just exported. Show you again. So let's go to our gallery. Okay. Can you see the video I just exported? Let me play the video for you. So what's the final step? The final step is now, after I finish playing the video, the final step is to now go to your YouTube Studio application. Yes. Click on the plus icon. I hope you are following the video. I hope you are following. I hope you are getting something from it. Click on the plus icon and now click on the live button, the live stream button. Yes. And click on the pencil icon. So you can give your live stream a name, any name you like. You understand? Any name you like. You can name it anything. But make sure it is public, and no, it is not meant for kids. Yes. Now for the main point of this video is what? It is called screencast. Yes. Just look at my side too. So instead of you to make use of Restream or silent live stream or StreamYard, or maybe you're scared of all this kind of thing, you can use what? Screencast. So go ahead and turn it on. And click on next. Please always make sure it is no, it's not meant for kid. After I click on next, make sure it's no, it's not meant for kid too. Then click on next. You will see this. You can pause it and read it. Here you get. Let me wait for you. You can read it. Are you reading it? So if you have finished reading it, click on got it, and it will show this. Then you can pick full screen. If it is you want to show full screen, you understand? It will show this one. So this is what it will show. And what? When you show that one, click on start now. and to show like this is how it to show. Are you seeing the screen? Then that's how it to show. If you want to close your camera or your face, click on the video icon, and you can also click on the audio icon if you don't want your face to show or your audio to sound. It's optional, it's not compulsory, but always make sure you turn off your camera. Do you understand? So yes, but you can close your face if you want, and next is what? To go live. So it will load. Just look at it too. So what do you do next when it loads? The next is to what? To click on gallery. You go to your gallery and click on your video compilation, meaning the video is just exported from CapCut. Yes, and click on this on the video and play it. Yes, the video will be displaying on your live screen, and the more the video play and the more people watch it, the more watch hour you'll be getting. I hope you know that trick. The more people watch your video, the more watch hour you'll be getting. So what? Loop the video so that the video will be long. Loop it so that it will be immediately stop, it to start again, so that it will do that. I say it should be that is why I say you should make it a very long video. Do you understand? Do you understand? I say you should make it a very long video. So let me show you what you are paying on the live stream. Yeah, so let's go to our YouTube application. Can you see it? Don't look at my side though. Are you seeing it? So this is how it will be appearing. Make sure it is not a boring live stream. Make sure it's not a boring live stream at all, because the longer people stay on the live stream, the more watch hour you get. So you make sure say the live stream is a very interesting one. It's not boring one. So maybe you have accumulated plenty watch hour and you want to end the live stream. You go back to your own page. Hope you are looking at my side. And click on your profile picture. And click on the X button. And that's the way the live stream will stop. And it stops the live stream like that. With that way, the live stream will have stopped. So you would have already gotten plenty watch hour by now. I'm 100% sure. Yes. And also make sure it is a very interesting live stream. And avoid copyright music, please. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll always answer if you have question. So that's how to get more watch hour. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. I am Good Vibes. Bye bye.